Welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin. Today's video is a relaxing clean with me, so you can clean along with me or sit back and relax and get some cleaning motivation and inspiration for your week ahead. I'm starting off in the bathroom with my favorite cleaning tools. I've got a microfiber cloth and a window and polishing cloth, both from eCloth. And then in my caddy for the toilet, I love to use this Method Anti-Bac toilet cleaner for the inside. And then for the outside, I use the 7th generation disposable disinfecting wipes. Both of those come from the Grove Collaborative. I'll have a link to the Grove and also to eCloth down in my description box if you're interested. For the shower and tub, I like what's known as the Miracle Shower Cleaner. I just mix this up myself. It's 50% white vinegar and 50% Dawn dishwashing liquid. It's super popular on Pinterest. A lot of people use it and it works great. And the other do-it-yourself cleaner that I always have in my caddy is my Disinfecting all-purpose cleaner. It's great for natural stone surfaces, which we have a lot of in our home. I will have the recipe for that down in the description box, and these glass bottles I get from the Grove Collaborative. I love mixing in glass bottles. It's a little bit better when you're using essential oils, but if you prefer to use a plastic bottle, that will work great too. Right before I use the Miracle Shower Cleaner, I sometimes put it in the microwave. It can become almost solid when your home is cold, so just 30 seconds in the microwave will warm it up. I give it a good shake and then it's ready to go. Today I'm starting with spraying our tub. I like to do this when I have something else to work on, so while this is sort of breaking down any buildup, I'll go clean the toilet and I'll spare you guys that today. But when I come back, I'm going to use my magic eraser to work it in, and then I rinse it all down the drain. The vinegar and the Dawn dishwashing liquid work so well together to break down any buildup in here. It makes cleaning this tub a breeze, and I love how it works in the shower as well. All of the mirrors and the shiny fixtures in our bathroom, there is no better combination than a microfiber cloth from eCloth dampened with just water, followed by the window and polishing cloth. You only need to use water, so that means no extra products, no extra chemicals, and because the microfibers remove 99% of dirt and bacteria, I know that all of our surfaces are clean. have a small decluttering and organizing project that I want to do today. Patrick has gotten in the habit of using his travel bag instead of the 2 drawers that he has in his vanity. And so I asked his permission if I could go through all of those things, clean everything out, purge anything that he doesn't need, and then clean and organize his drawers for him. And he was happy for me to do it, which I was really happy about as well. This is something that I know is not high on his list of priorities, so I'm happy to help him out, and I know he's going to be happy with the result. I checked with him on any item that there was any question about keeping, but honestly most of it was just expired items, some empty bottles, and some trash here and there, so I got rid of all of that to make room for the things that he really uses on a daily basis. Once the drawers were cleaned, I started going through his travel bag. There are a lot of travel items in here, but there's also the things that he uses on a daily basis, and I think it just became easier to find them in this bag than to rummage through the drawers that were cluttered with so many items that he didn't need. I gave his travel bag a good wipe down with a damp microfiber cloth too to get it nice and clean, and then I refilled it with his favorite travel items. All of his travel essentials are packed in here now with nothing extra cluttering it. He can add the things that he wants to from his drawer that he uses on a daily basis, and when he's ready for his next trip, it's all ready to go. Patrick was really happy about the changes that I made, and it really only took a few minutes. So now it's back to cleaning. My March recipe box arrived from Simply Earth, and I can't wait to try out the diffuser blend for this month. There are some amazing oils in here. If you guys aren't familiar with Simply Earth, they are my favorite source for essential oils. They have 100% pure essential oils, and the prices can't be beat. They are about a third of the price of the major brands. All of the oils are sold separately at Simply Earth, but there are so many advantages to subscribing to the recipe box. Recipe Box subscribers get free access to the Essential Oil Hero course, where you can learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity. And each Recipe Box teaches you how to use essential oils in a different way. I look forward to receiving my box each month, and the March recipe box does not disappoint. It contains Beauty Within, which is an essential oil blend that is comparable to Immortelle by doTERRA and Art Renewal Serum by Young Living. You'll also find Amorous, Palmarosa, and Tea Tree essential oils. You can start your subscription, which can be canceled at any time, using my link down in the description box, along with the code FAITHANDFLOURFREE, which will give you a $40 gift card that you can apply to a future purchase. I mixed up the recipe for Natural Beauty Diffuser Blend to diffuse while I'm doing my cleaning, and I am enjoying all of the benefits and the aroma. It is so relaxing and smells amazing. Our bathroom is attached to our master bedroom, and so I often clean them together. So today I'm going to do all of the dusting in both rooms, and then I will follow with vacuuming and mopping. I hope that you found today's video motivational, that it gave you some inspiration for doing some decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and homemaking in your home this week. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I want to invite you to subscribe. It's easy and absolutely free, and we'd love to have you join our Faith and Flour community. And be sure to follow me on Instagram for more of everything that you love from Faith and Flour. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me here today. I look forward to talking with you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a great week.